Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this chicken rice salad. Really delicious. Right, we're going to start off with 3 cups of cooked rice. That's cold now. Basmati I'm using. To that I'm going to add 2 cups of some cooked chicken. I just roughly sort of shredded that. Now I'm going to use some spicy sausage. You can use any sort of type that you want to get in there. It's entirely up to you. A chorizo or something like that. Again, a couple of cups of that. Cut that really nice and thin. To that next we're going to add the same amount, 2 cups of red kidney beans. You could use a different colour bean if you want. Now here I've got a 1/4 cup there of a pickle, a dill pickle or cucumber pickle. Chop that really small. 1/4 cup of bell peppers just to add a bit of colour in there. 1/4 cup of onion. Use spring onions if you want. That's quite harsh, the onion I've got there. Cucumber, again the same amount. Salt, black pepper. Then we're going to spice it up a little bit. So we've got some fresh cilantro, about 1/4 cup. I've got some chili powder here. You could use paprika if you want, but I like a nice kick. Lemon juice and olive oil. So about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Give that a mix. It's done. It's delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love.